Good morning, students. So, yesterday, that means on Saturday, we have completed our exercise 2.1. Now, next topic is value of a polynomial at given point. Let's say there is a polynomial px. P stands for polynomial and x means the variable is x square plus x plus 1, and we are given a value of x is equals to 2. So, what we do, we just put the value of x is equals to 2 in the given polynomial. Now, p in place of x we are placing 2. p2 is equals to x square, so this is 2 square plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. p2 is equals to 7. So, by this method we can calculate the value of a polynomial at any point. Now, one more example is there. Px is equals to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2 at x is equals to 1. The indicated value of x is 1. Now put x is equals to 1 in the given polynomial is equals to 5. Here x cube. So 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2 is equals to 1 cube is always 1, as the any power of 1 is always 1. Similarly 1 square is 1, 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 2. 5 1 ja 5, 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 minus 2. Now positive values together, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 2 and minus 2 is minus 4. So the value of polynomial px at x is equals to 1 is 4. Let's go for exercise 2.2. Here px is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 and the indicated value is x is equals to 0. Now p0 is equals to, in place of x you have to put the value x is equals to 0. 5 into 0 minus 4, 0 square plus 3. This is the constant term. Any power of 0 is always 0 and multiplication with 0 of any real number is 0. So 5 into 0 is 0. 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So obtained value is 3. Now see. Second part of question number 1. Now the value is given x is equals to minus 1. We will put in the same polynomial. 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. Now see, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 1 square, minus 1 multiplying minus 1 is equals to 1. So minus 4 multiplying with 1 plus 3. Now see, minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. This is minus 9 plus 3. Now minus 9 plus 3, the value comes out minus 6. So in this method, you just have to put the values of given x into the polynomial px. Let's see for part 3 of question number 1. Polynomial is the same but the indicated value is changed. X is equals to 2. p2 is equals to 5 multiplying x. In place of x we will put the 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 2 ja 10 minus 4 into 4. 2 square is 4 plus 3. 10 plus 3 comes out 13 minus 4 4 ja 16. So final answer is minus 3. So you can write it here as p2 is equals to minus 3. Okay, now let's go for question number 2. We have to find p0, p1 and p2 for every polynomial in given every part of the question. Now question number 2 part 1, py. Py means polynomial in variable y. It is given y square minus y plus 1. Now first you have to place y is equals to 0. p0 is equals to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square is always 0 minus 0 plus 1. Sum or subtraction, addition or subtraction of 0 means 0. So final answer is 1. Now put 1 in this polynomial. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Now you can see minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled. 1 square is always 1. p2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. So this is your question number 2 part 1. Now let's check second part. Here the polynomial is in variable t. So it is written as p of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. First we have to find p0. So in place of every t we will put 0. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. This is 0, 0 square is 0, multiplying 2 is 0, it's 0 and 0. So 2 plus 0, these 3 means nothing. So answer is 2. Now P1, 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. Now see, we have put t is equals to 1 in the polynomial. Now see, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 into 1 square is 2 minus 1, 3 plus 2 5 minus 1 4. So answer is 4. Now check. P2 is equals to 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Now see, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 square is 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 minus 8 cancelled, answer is 4. Let's go for another part of this question. Question number 2 part 3 is Px is equals to x cube. As it is a monomial, that means only one term is there. So I have done it quickly. P0 is equals to 0 cube, answer is 0. P1 is equals to 1 cube, answer is 1. P2 is equals to 2 cube is equals to 8. Now see, question number 2 part 4. Px is equals to x minus 1 multiplying x plus 1. You know very well a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. 1 square is 1. So Px is equals to x square minus 1. Now P0, 0 square minus 1, 0 square is 0, 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. P1, 1 square minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. And the last is P2 is equals to 2 square minus 1 is equals to 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So by this method, you can calculate value of polynomial at any indicated value. So this is your work for today. Please do it in your fair notebook and send all the photos in Google Classroom. Thank you.